and here's the last one. And so to set up your Google Sheets here, just click if this, and then search for a webhook. And then select the second one here with a JSON payload. And then call it whatever you want to call it. But remember what you call it. I called it event 2. And then go to then, and then select Google Sheets. Row to spreadsheet. You can either update or add a row. Let's do add a row. And then click here and click add ingredient and do JSON payload. Okay. And then create the action. Alright. And then continue. And then click, okay, remember that your event is called event 2. And I've already linked my Google Drive and everything, but you'll have to link your Google Drive. And then click finish. And alright, now what we need to do is go to, alright, find your webhook documentation. And the way I found it is I came to webhooks and then clicked this link, and then okay, this gives you the URLs that you're supposed to send things to. And what you want to do is copy this URL here, this includes your key, and then paste it into your script wherever, or at cheatlayer.com you can paste it into this input right here and then click submit, and then it will update automatically when you generate a GPT-3 code, the URL, without you having to paste it in every time. But anyways, here what you do is you paste it in here, right, and then in the event name put the event that you wrote, and we did event 2 this time, but I have one set up with data. And in the data section, the send Ajax function includes 4 parameters, or 3 parameters. There's also a 4th parameter, if you optional, where you can send a callback. But the second one is all the data that you want to send to the spreadsheet. So we're going to send the text, the location of the page, and the URL. Okay. And then just click run to test it. And here we go. We're getting data. So now this is obviously just running on the Cheatlayer website, but you can run it on any Google search or LinkedIn search or Indeed search or whatever scraping that you need for your lead generation. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And in IFTTT, it gives you a history of everything that's run, so you can check to make sure it's run correctly and see what's going on and what the data was actually sent, if there's anything wrong. Alright, cool. Next we'll do Pabbly and Integrately. Thank you.